So for this week, a big part of what I focused on was getting the database completely set up. So I have here a bunch of the code for creating a login button and a new user button. There's still a little bit more logic that I'd like to add to this so that when they create a new user, it makes sure that it's actually a unique user ID, so that if somebody logs in or wants to make a new user, it doesn't just keep making the same one over and over. But what that ends up looking like is this. So what I did is I went ahead and I hid the actual game until somebody logs in. I'm not sure if this is the way that I'm going to stay with it, but for now, that's what we have. So then you can log in. If you log in with the wrong ID or password, it'll tell you. I'm going to actually change that so that it shows up as red text above instead of being an alert, but that was how I wanted to do it for now. So when you log in, I also created this scene. So I made the scene transitions from loading screen to this main menu screen, which has this functional new game button. Once you click that, it opens up into the game. So a lot of that I did by watching this Phaser 3 series here. Was very helpful in actually seeing how to set up scene transitions and be able to get the graphics and everything going as I wanted. So what I did is I broke it out into, there's a load scene where we're going to preload all of our stuff. And I might show this while I have the login open. And then it goes into the menu scene, which is just as you saw, it just has that one button for now. I'm going to add a load game and an options button, and then it goes into the game. So this needs to be cleaned up still, but this basically has everything for our game in it. And I'm looking forward to next week. I plan to get all of the enemies spawning in waves, maybe even different kinds of enemies spawning the same one, and then hopefully getting closer to actually being able to load the data in from the database. So